Hey everybody, Sean Ash here. Matt Standridge actually going around the city right now to shoot some video for us. The man will do everything. We're going to give you an update here, still in the winter storm warning. Some areas getting kind of a break from the steady, heavy snow, others not. But let's dive in. I want to basically show you the traffic map around the metro area. Not a surprise. A lot of yellow and slow going roads, a lot of snow-covered roads. As we expand the map, and again, this pretty much everywhere has some sort of snow on top of it here. So IMPD tells us that they've had nearly 80 plus, responded to 80 plus crashes and slide-offs here since this storm had started. Now, I want to talk about the travel advisories and the travel warnings. Brown County now under a travel warning. We're probably going to get a few more of these. You see all the advisories, and that includes Indianapolis, and we got some travel watches too. So it basically goes from warning, watch, advisory is kind of the lowest level, if you will. So let's pop them up. We'll start. I want to show you some NDOT cameras here across central Indiana. So this is the one that Matt was showing on our last cut in here. There's just not a whole lot of folks out right now. And so that's good. You can see those roads are snow covered. And so if you're going to be out, and let's say if you got to be somewhere at 9, 10 o'clock, then you're going to have to give yourself some extra time. So a lot of our roadways here are snow covered, at least around the metro, and points to the south here. Pop up if you don't mind. Let's show them. It's never too early. Now that we're in January, it's never too early to start thinking about May. How about this shot from the Motor Speedway? Boy, is that not a winter wonderland. I wouldn't be surprised if we catch Doug Bowles out there tomorrow on his snowboard getting pulled around. That would not surprise me at all. All right, let's get it over to live Doppler 13 radar here. So the last couple of hits, we've been saying, hey, from now to about 10 o'clock, bursts, the snow rates are ramping up here, and that's still playing out. Now, over the southern third, Bloomington, in Brown County, in Columbus, getting reports of the changeover. So some sleet going on down there. And if you recall, we've also said that eventually we're going to get less coverage of precipitation. There's going to be a little lull over this part, and then you'll pick up some more snow again tomorrow, okay? So here's the radar. I've got it in precipitation type mode right now. I can tell you just based on the reports that we're getting, those reds that you're seeing down there, that is very likely sleet, because south of that, it's a freezing drizzle. So if you're watching us in Bedford and Seymour and North Vernon, that sleet, that may become a freezing drizzle as we go through the overnight. Okay, so this is precipitation type mode. We will transition to precipitation intensity. And we know that all of this around the metro area, Lebanon, so that stuff over Boone and Hamilton County, that's snow. And when you start to see that yellow on the radar, that's when the rates are picking up. So that's some good snow that's falling right across I-65 into Hamilton County. I know a lot of folks in Tipton and Frankfort have been saying, we don't have anything. Remember, the farther north you go, the sharper the drop in accumulation and the much lighter amounts, to the point where as you get into Kokomo and Marion, Monticello, this whole zone up here, we're talking a coating to around an inch. And then when you get to Lafayette and Kokomo and Hartford City, maybe a little bit more than an inch of snow. There won't be a whole lot up there, but there will be some blowing and some drifting that I'll talk about. And then you can see as we go, even around Indy here, we're still going to occasionally get these burst burst of snowfall. All right, that will take us through the overnight, and I'll address kind of what we expect going into tomorrow. Winter storm warnings continue. Now for Lafayette, for Kokomo, it is now a winter weather advisory. Just again, because of the lower snow, you're still going to have some blowing up there, and you're still going to have some drifting. Still essentially feel good about the map that we had. This was their latest update at 4 o'clock. And last check at the Weather Service, just over 4 inches, probably getting close to 5. I've had some 6-inch reports in parts of Hendricks County. And let me just double check to see if we even have some new reports that are in here now. Last check also, we had about 6, almost 7 inches in parts of Monroe County. All right. So that's what we got for now. So here's the future track 13, because I want to kind of show you how this plays out. So southern third, Bloomington, Bedford, down here, over to Terre Haute. We're going to have a period of freezing drizzle. So it's already bad. You know, the roads are nasty enough. Then we're going to tack on a glaze of ice. And there's just not much you can really do about that. It's going to get it's already slick. It's going to get worse. It will snow. This is at 1 a.m., by the way. That's going to range from light to maybe some moderate burst. And then what happens is, this is tomorrow morning, and all the modeling is showing this. The low is down here somewhere off map, south of the Ohio River. So our wind is going northeast to northerly. Take it full screen if you don't mind. So we're going to have a north wind with the snow and the leftover freezing drizzle, and that wind is going to be a real bugaboo come tomorrow morning here. We're going to have a lot of drifting. So the road crews are going to have their work cut out for them, unfortunately, all night long. But that snow that's flying around tomorrow morning from Indy and Noblesville and Greencastle and Bloomington, that's going to be, we're going to get some accumulation on that. And that's going to slowly pinwheel through the southern part of the state. So probably going to tack on maybe another inch or two with that coming through tomorrow. Now these are current wind speeds, not gusts, but wind speeds. But what will happen, and our gusts, we're still getting the 25 mile per hour gusts, but what will happen here is we're going to get stronger gusts as we go through the remainder of tonight and into tomorrow morning. And you see, as we look back to the west, we still point out to the west, we've got that axis of snow that continues over Missouri and Illinois. So we've got additional snow. We are going to get this break. We've been talking about this break of snow, and then we will get it back into some more as we go into tomorrow morning. So we've got a long way to go, friends. This winter storm warning is going to continue. Now, bulk of the snowfall wrapping up tomorrow by about 1 o'clock, give or take, 1 p.m. But we're going to have road issues all night and into tomorrow. And as we mentioned, we may get gusts 35 to 45 miles per hour. That is going to be a problem. We will keep you updated next break-in coming up at 9 o'clock, top of the hour, right here on 13 Plus. We appreciate you checking us out, trying to keep you safe. And there's one more beautiful shot of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. It'll be May before you know it.